trust no fam, nigga.
Top out, no time.
When I spit to that box, shit boost my adrenaline. Nobody that me, bro, gon' spin again, can't trust niggas. I'ma hear about many man, bro, throw 5, I'ma throw 10, can't trust no fem, nigga, that's a line. So she don't give neck, I had the best of climb. Me, bro, 1-5, fall for that dom. Try to push up, I'm throwing 9.
Yo, morning, you know what I'm saying? Get ready to get on this plane. I'm gonna be out of this state for a week. So I might be just vlogging the whole time. Or I might do a video on my little siblings and cousins and stuff. I'll see y'all at the airport. I'm about to get something quick. I don't know where nothing's at.
Yo, YBH.
So they have a quote unquote New York deli in here. I'm gonna see if they got a bacon egg and cheese. I'm gonna rate it for y'all, no cap. 3WL right now. 3WL. 3, 2, 1. I could definitely do it better, but it's good. My rating is an 8 out of 10. And you know, come at me in the comments, but this is better than apple and orange juice. Facts. No cap. It's mad cool right now. I'm playing. Y'all, Danny NYM arriving fresh in Pittsburgh. You know how we do. I'm the man with the legend himself, Sania's Payne. I thought he should be home already.
Yeah, I'm like, maybe another 10 minutes. What?
Nah, not even. It ain't gonna take him 10 minutes to drive. What? Say what's up to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Get cheated on.
Didn't you?
Don't get cheated on.
Jay, Riley did it. The whole team, bro. They ran through you. They ran through you, bro.
What? I still booed them though. I still booed them though.
They pass you around,
You
bro.
don't get, but you don't get nobody. You don't get no
You
girl.
don't get nobody.
You don't get no girl.
I'm known.
You don't get no girl.
I'm known. I'm known throughout
Bro.
different schools,
The
bro.
girls, they pass me
Ask
around.
Madonna
I
about
pass
me.
them around.
Ask Madonna
All right.
about me, bro.
Again.
11th and 12th 3. I get it. One more time.
Oh my God! He's the best! He's the best! He's the best, bro! Stop playing!
Reggie
You
Miller.
was daddy trying to explain to you like, yo, this person is
No.
not But y'all used to argue all the time.
I used to argue with Daddy about me, not about no players on the court. Hell no.
This already happened. This already happened. You want it?
I know, you rewinded it.
You're not
Yo, look at this.
This already happened.
Come
I'm
off.
telling you, look.
Look, he's standing
That's
there
the ball.
by himself with nobody there.
Yeah, but look where he shot the ball
In his
from.
mouth.
And he traveled, turned around on that shot. Come on now.
He's standing there
Come
by
on
himself.
now. Come on. Alright, so we about to play spin a bottle with the BB gun. Lit.
Oh, that's me! That's me! That's me! That's you.
Don't do that. Oh, don't do it that way.
Hey. Oh, that's me! You. I know, he was like 5. I shot 5 times. Oh my God! We need to get money. Bro, what? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! He's shooting too much.
That's me. That's me. I did. Oh yeah. I shot 4, bro.
Call the cops on us. Go on Ari's house. Go on Ari's house. Ari's house.
You know I'm with the gang. LNG fuck up the lead, yeah. My niggas ain't let it bang. They never like and keep the heat, yeah. Nigga was poppin', they sent me the beat and I rock it. I do this for fight back, LNB and rocket. High school, we was tryna get profits. Look at us now, I ain't counting no profits. I came from the bottom, I'm tryna reach the top, I ain't stopping.